Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Robelinda, and our vlog for today is A Day in My Life Part 2 Summer Edition. So let's go. So as you can see, katapos ko lang maligo, and also I am done taking my medicine. And right now, I'm just going to make calamansi juice without anything, like pure. So, make with me. Because my mom told me that magkadaot siya. Like, magka-slim daw. Yes.
Let's try. I can't believe that loser did this to me. I'm losing hundreds of dollars by the minute. Dang, me too.
And now we are waiting about 15 minutes no before we eat breakfast. Mm. And now guys, let's eat breakfast. Our dish is adobong talong because it is healthier. And I was also drink salabat unta, but unfortunately not done me. So let's go, let's eat.
Daling kuranan. Ako isa ko barugon.
And now let's wash dish. Let's wash the dishes. The way, let's do the before and after. This is before, no? Yes. Since we have done washing all the dishes, the next one is we were gonna make mag-isoter tang. And let's sweep the second floor. Dili. Second area, which is a living. Kani ang gamit. So now guys, let's clean my dog's nest. Here is my dog's nest. Dili lang makita sa camera no, but it's a lot of pee. P, no? P. Peeing. It's a lot. Di ko kabaluan niya mga Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. This is Julian and our vlog for today is Oh, dali, waiti. Oh, Bruno, Buloy.
Buloy! Bruno! Dali!
Before we proceed our next to-do list, I shout out to Hilary, my BFF. How are you na? And rooting for you. I'm kasod ka sa city you. Danao. So ako ang labhon una daw kay ang pillow. White tan. Now, let's cook lunch kay wala naman ni tindang sudan. So, magluto na lang tag lunch. So, first mo magkuhan sa ta mag-wash. Bicol. Sarsiya, oyster sauce. Burst out into the flames. You make me go. Naana sa pamahiin. Superstitious belief, but I don't know if it was true. So wala na siya tubig. Lagyan na natin. Of course, let's go on the pan, no? Dapat mahina lang yung apoy kapag nagluluto kayo ng egg. Kasi I know may magagalit. Dahil I am the fan watching the mga chef gani like Gordon Ramsay and basta kaning ana, and kung pakusgan mo ang kayo, Gordon Ramsay will get mad at you, just like that. But I am not like dreaming to be a chef. Dreaming? Hindi ko pinangarap maging isang chef. That's why, ang pangarap ko lang ay maging isang YouTuber. So far, mainit na yung mantika. So, ibubuhos na natin ito. Since we are already done eating lunch, what else? Hugas na po.
Yan. Gasa po. 20. Plastic na kidlit.
So right now guys, magkuhan ta og ahos.
Sprite niya rin sa kitchen.
So, since human naman tagkuan, our next chores is cook dinner with me na food. Let's go. First, let's cook rice. So next, let's wash this fish. Prito na daw. So we're gonna make a fried fish.
Diba? Sa akin lambot, no? 10-10. 10-10 rin for me. Para na rin mahaling steakhouse. Sarap. Walang keme. Tsaka may taba. Diba lahat na slice niya may taba? Isa po nga ako. Kamay ko na lang din, ha? Hindi ko malasahan pala. Sarap. Ito masarap ka. It melts in your mouth. First meal natin, 9 out of 10. On to the next. Okay guys, para sa ating second. Ooh, init. Ooh, juicy. Grabe, worth it. Okay, so let's taste. Can I do the first one? Okay. I'll try it. Wow. Oh. Newly cooked. Bago luto pa, guys. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's like doing that, bro. I don't understand. Why so easy? You got it. Come on.
Pa. Asa ang kuan pa? Ano kuan sa gas ba? Asa ang kuan sa gas? Diba, ibutang nga sa kuan na. Galon.
Oh my god. People are watching you. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Reno. Let's go, Reno. I couldn't swallow it. Like, it was just so hard. What does it taste like? I think it tastes like a mix of fish and chicken. If that makes any sense. Like fish and meat. But it's good. What is it? Kain na tayo?
Sod! Let's eat na guys. Naka-eat na ko. So mag-close namin all tindahan. I forgot na mag-feed pa dito sa Aero.
Feeling ko kapag ito na ang can't say no challenge. So, hindi ako magno-no.
So I want to practice right now. I have the notebook, wait. So let's practice. Wet hands with water. So first, wet hands with water. Second, apply soap. Oh, my dad are done. May safeguard. Dito siya sa balita. Kailangan na. Dali araw po pero dapat kuhan mo. Happy birthday to you man. Rub hands palm to palm. Rub back of each palm with palm of other hand with fingers interface. Back dayon, back and forth. Rub palm to palm with fingers interface. Ana ba no? Ana? Rub with back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rub each thumb clasp in opposite hand using a rotational movement. Ay, dili. Rub each thumb. Ay, kanin. Thumb. Rub tips of fingers in opposite palms in a circular motion. Rub each wrist with opposite hand. Rinse hands with water. Ah? Dry thoroughly with a single-use towel or pwede rasa sa air. So where is my gown and gloves? Ka-business. So we are done everything, mano. So let's gonna make repack of kamay. Yes. Balik, balik.
Hi guys! This is Ivana and welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, meron tayong gagawing bagong video. At ito, pinag-isipan ko ba kung dapat ko ba siyang gawin kasi nakakatakot. Pero nag-ayos ako para mahiya silang utusan ako, diba? Nag-diamond ako, nag-make up, diba? Feeling ko kapag nagganto ako, hindi ako nakakasya. Utusan siya mag-release. Pag gano'n. Sweet na talaga to. Tuloy ko yan. Ito na ang Can't Say No Challenge. So, hindi ako magtuno sa buong pamilya ko. And kahit anong iutos nila sa akin. Kahit sa nanay ko pinapahila ako. Pero nag-champion ako.
That's our vlog for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. See you on the next one. Bye.